Greetings. This is a quick tutorial on how to use the Moodle gift question creator. You can see I've copy-pasted some text here into the text editor. Make sure that it's clean ASCII text. ASCII, no formatting, no hidden HTML in your copy-paste. Make sure it's a straight notepad.txt type of file. Makes it a lot easier for you to work with this. This is the macro gift template creator created by Mikko Rusum. I never get his name correct, but a fine gentleman who has helped many a teacher like myself create marvelous quizzes like the one you're looking at now. Now this is a missing word question. I've already got my missing word samples. Let me show you something that's really cool about this too. If I hit the enter key, go back to my notes over here, and then I'm going to copy this, Control A, Control C, Alt Tab back, Control V, and the formatting, or the text itself, is imported cleanly. There are a number of macros in this template that don't work nearly as well. So keep that in mind when you're copying and pasting into the macro. Clean text is important. So let's take a look at how to use the mark blank word for my missing word question. This is the missing word I'm going to use here. I go over slowly, and then I go up to blank, click mark blank word, click. Now you can see there's a little box around it with a little yellow thing. So I'm going to just quickly tag all of these. Oh, that's a good word. I'm aiming for the verbs. Oh, verbs and nouns. Blank, highlight, blank, Alt plus space bar. Ooh, I like that. Blank, Control A, blank. Oh, it doesn't like single letters. Let's try that again. Put it in single, blank. Oh, okay, it doesn't like being surrounded by other text. And delete, Shift plus delete, blank. Now we're looking good. Each one of my questions, all 20 questions, 22 questions. Looks like I might have some dupes, but actually I know which dupes they are. I delete those, backspace, clean, bueno. I have 20 questions ready to roll. Now when I click, I need to save this document, of course. Alt file, save as, give it a 1, 1. I'm going to drop it on the desktop so I can keep track of it. Oh, I've already got one there. 1, save it as a Word document, save. If I don't save it, the export function will bork. So let's take a look and see if this works. Now I'm going to click export to gift, and the magic of computers will be exposed for all to see. Here we go. Ooh, it worked. So all of my questions now have been converted to gift. I'm going to add an A at the end here because it's probably going to. This actually it would be really nice if there was a time stamp. It has a date stamp, but including a time stamp would also be very nice. So I click save, and there it is. I have now successfully created 20 questions in about as much time as it took for me to talk to you right now. So thank you for your time. Go out, have some fun, create some questions, torture your students with all kinds of new ways to think about the world. Let's take a look at the formatting. Some of the formats seem to be working and others not. Let's go up to the top. I'm seeing some of my questions, like that one. That one worked. That one didn't. That one didn't. That one didn't. So, for all of my enthusiasm here, I've just discovered a bug in the code. So, though I wanted to create a missing word question, a bunch of missing word questions, I realize now that I have to go and hand edit all of these, which is the very thing I sought to avoid. So there's something wrong with the missing word question blanking macro in this template. So if you're smarter than I am, maybe you have a solution for it. In the meantime, happy Moodling. We'll be back soon with more exciting ways to get your students thinking about their material in a more consistent fashion. Thank you, and happy Moodling.